Today we're going to use the language of size. We're going to use the words big, little and middle-sized. Here are two bears. One of them is big and one of them is little. Can you point to the big bear? Here it is. This bear is big. So what about this bear? What could we say about him? That's right. This bear is little. We have a big bear and a little bear. I'm going to put another bear on here. This bear is bigger than this little bear. He's bigger. But this bear is not as big as this bear. This bear is middle-sized. So we have three sizes of bear now. We have big, we have middle-sized, and we have little. We can look at other things that have different sizes too. Because we've been learning about the story The Threebilly Goats Gruff, I've got some pictures of some goats. To start with, there are two goats. Which goat is the big goat? Can you point to the big goat? That's right, this is the big goat. So what would you say about this goat? Is he big or is he little? This goat is little and this goat is big. If I put another goat on here, what could we say about him? Is he big? Is he little? Or is he middle-sized? This goat is middle-sized because this one is little and this goat is big. Here are some things that you might have at home to look at. They are spoons. I've got some spoons in front of you. Can you see them? I've got a big spoon, a little spoon and a middle-sized spoon. Can you find the big spoon? Here is the big spoon. And this one is the little spoon. And the one in the middle is the middle-sized spoon. 3 spoons, all different sizes. There are lots of things in your house that are different sized. Here are some socks. Looking at these 2 socks, we have a big sock and a little sock. Can you find the little sock? Which one is the little sock? Is it this one? Is this the little sock? Or is this the little sock? That's right. The white sock is the little sock and the spotty one is the big sock. Let me put another sock in here now and we can talk about the size of that too. I've got 3 socks here. 1, 2, 3. Remember we said the spotty sock is the big sock and the white sock is the little sock. So what would we say about the pink sock? Is it big? Is it little or is it middle-sized? It's bigger than the little sock. Look, the white sock is little and the pink one is a little bit bigger. But look, the spotty sock is the big sock and the pink sock is a little bit smaller. We say the pink sock is the middle-sized sock. And you can see with the socks, I've put them in order of size. I started with the little sock, then the one that got a little bit bigger, and the biggest one at the top. That's another job to do with different sized objects. We can put them in order of size. Let me show you the picture of some bears that I have. Here are 3 bears. They are different sized and different colours. We have a blue bear, we have a yellow bear and a red bear. So first of all, we need to find which bear is the little bear. We want to put him first. Is the little bear the blue bear, the yellow one or the red one? It's the red one, so we're going to put him first. And then we want to find the big bear. Which bear is the biggest bear? That's right, it's the yellow one. So he goes right at the end. So far we have the little bear and the big bear. And we have this blue one left over. I wonder where he goes. Is he little, like this one? Or is he big, like this one? Or would we say he's middle-sized? He is middle-sized. The blue bear is bigger than the little bear. The blue bear is smaller than the big bear. He's middle-sized. So he goes in the middle. And now we've put the bears in order of size. We started with the little bear and then the middle-sized bear. And at the end, we have put the big bear. You could find some things around your house. Ask Mummy or Daddy if they have some spoons that you could look at and that you could talk about, saying whether they are big, whether they are little, or whether they are middle-sized. You could then put them in order of size. Here's my 3 spoons. I've got my big one at the top and then my middle-sized spoon and my little spoon. You could also look at socks, just like I showed you before, using that key words, big, little and middle-sized. So there's the big sock. Here's the little sock, and I've got my middle-sized one in the middle, and they are in order of size. Maybe you could look at some cups, or some shoes, or even some coats, looking to see which one is big, which one is little, and which one is middle-sized.